You try your best. You clean and disinfect the mattress between patients. To the human eye, the mattress looks clean, but beyond your view and despite your best efforts, stain and odor-causing bacteria can attack the surface, reducing the product's life. You need an easy way to protect the surface. Now there is a solution. Introducing Nano AG Plus technology. Exclusive to Hillrom, it's a clean, safe, and long-lasting antimicrobial treatment integrated into our surfaces, protecting them from stain and odor-causing bacteria. Nano AG Plus technology is different from competitive silver technologies. It's clean. Made of 99.9% pure oxidized silver, Nano AG Plus technology kills over 99.8% of bacteria for the life of the product. Using superior patented nanotechnology, it releases particles smaller than 100,000th of the width of a human hair. Yet it's powerful. So powerful, the amount of silver equal to a pencil eraser is enough to protect an entire surface. Nano AG Plus technology is safe. There's no special handling required. And because the nanoparticles adhere permanently to fabrics, it's long-lasting, making it cost-effective for you. Contact with moisture, heat, or water exposes new layers of silver, releasing silver ions that penetrate and affect cellular respiration, reproduction, and metabolism, minimizing the spread of stain and odor-causing bacteria, and reducing their ability to become resistant to silver's antimicrobial properties. Tests show competitive products with a low percentage of silver can become unstable after repeated washings, losing their available silver ions. You need a cost-effective technology that is safe, long-lasting, and protects the product every day. Make Nano AG Plus technology your choice for combating stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew that can attack your Hillrom surface. Nano AG Plus technology. Clean, safe, long-lasting, cost-effective. Superior patented technology that is exclusive to Hillrom but is available to you. Please contact your Hillrom sales representative to learn more.